Information System. Hospital Management System. What it is? The short form is HMS. It is a computer-based system. It is established to maintain an orderly and systematic method of managing hospital and clinical patient records for both outpatient and inpatients, both effectively and efficiently. About Hospital Information System. Hospital Information System refers to any system that captures, stores, manages or transmits information related to health of individuals or activities of organization that work within the health sector. It is the information system that manages or captures, stores, transmit information related to health of individual or health related activities of organization. What is the purpose or what is it for? It includes many diverse type of data such as storing of patient information, patient billing, staffing and scheduling, pharmacy ordering or medication ordering, prescription handling, clinical laboratory report and orders of management. Why it is necessary? Paper-based system or the traditional system of keeping patient information generally cause disadvantages and problems to hospital when handling data and information. Safe recording the patient detail cannot be guaranteed as they can be potentially destroyed by fire and water through paper-based system. Also, in the system, there are possible chances of misplacing data and information by staff. About the functions of HIS or Hospital Information System. Make appointment with respective doctors, manage staff and patient reservation, conduct payment other transaction online, perform live conversation with doctors regarding the health condition, manage staff and customer account within the information system, upload and watch demo video on the sickness and relevant cure. How the HIS work? The hospital information system will function as an online system spanning across the relevant hospital network through internet. It uses the internet and it is spanned throughout the hospital environment. In the system, the database servers are used to store the information on medicine that are required to cure relevant diseases of the patient. Appointment to the respective doctor shall be made online. It is also used to manage patient and payment records. Since the information consumes the facilities of the World Wide Web, it can constantly update it for any necessary changes. Coming to requirement of HIS. It needs operational requirement, planning requirements and documentation requirements. Operation requirements include up-to-date factual information and necessary for day-to-day tasks. Planning requirements, short-term and long-term decision about patient care, disaster recovery, decision about hospital management. Documentation requirement, the maintenance of records, accreditation and legal records. Also, it needs appointment for consulting a doctor, IT facilities for physical scanning, hardware requirements and software requirements. Coming to various types of HIS. Nursing Information System, Clinical Information System, Pharmacy Information System, Financial Information System or Lab Information System. These are the different subdivisions coming under Hospital Information System. We will see just a detail about Nursing Information System or Nursing Informatics. According to ANA or American Nursing Association, the definition of Nursing Informatics is the development and evaluation of application, tools, processes or structures which assist a nurse with the management of data in taking care of patients or supporting the practice of nursing. Nursing informatics support the practice of nursing and the patient care, in short. Implications of Nursing Information System or NIS. It is required for patient charting like vital signs, admission, nursing assessment, care plan, nursing notes, etc. It can be used for staff scheduling or staff rotation, or putting duty for nurses. It is required for clinical data integration. That is, clinical information from all other departments can be retrieved, viewed, and analyzed by nursing staff sitting in any corner of the hospital if there is nursing information system. About the decision support, it provides prompt and reminders for nurses to renew their license or to renew their certificates, etc. Coming to role of nurse manager in relation to NIS, collect clinical data, record data, interpret data to produce information, use information to produce knowledge, share knowledge with those who need it. Advantages of hospital information system. It reduces the paper-based work. It reduces the medical errors. It also reduces the medical cost. It reduces medical errors leading to health quality improvement. Some of the different obstacles or limitation. Some nurses may be comfortable with the old paper-based documentation. It may take time for a nurse to become aware of nursing information system and to use it. There may be lack of integration in computer system and software. Some nursing informatics or nursing informatics system need financial resources which may be inadequate. Other issues include lack of administrative support, staffing issue, user acceptance, problems with the organization strategic planning, software design, infrastructure and time management. Here is the end of this video. Thank you.